same thing and doing everything I possibly could.
Grace is a great party.
Glasses on. I can get this.
Even Sammy's having a ball.
Sammy, come here.
You know, with.
Pero espérate, que ahora vamos a cantar Happy Birthday después que se... Oh man, you can't see nothing with the lights. Uncle Bob, you have to stand over there.
Okay. Here, we're here.
Alright, it's a recording.
Hey,
Happy birthday, Grace!
Hey, Grace, happy birthday, many happy returns. Hey, we've got an empty chair we've been hugging just because
we found a much more beautiful woman that's coming over, and we're all gonna have our turn with her.
And she's taking your place, Grace. Sorry, you should have been here.
That's right. You can have the train.